I seen one two-wheeler. Everybody is riding or driving their cars and four-wheelers. People start walking. So we are. So other thing, I was in the city to exchange pounds with other countries' currency. Look what I got. I was here to exchange £5, but I decided to get the Japanese yen. And I got, for £5, I got 1,000 Japanese yen. I looked for other currencies, but there were no small currencies available. Like I looked for Chinese currency, and it was cost. The smallest currency was like 50. I had to pay something in dollars, like more than £10. No. So I didn't get that. The other one is Swiss franc, I guess. Swiss dollar. It costs higher. The minimum was 50. Like they didn't have small amount, so they got like $1 bill, which I didn't want it. People in this country look young, younger than their age. Protein-filled diet, full of protein diet. Why is it coming? The bus stop. Oh, this bus will stop here, I guess. Para. Ishq. On a walking distance, they put a bus stops. We just crossed like 2 bus stops. It's 50 meters walk, and here's a hub. Like 3 bus stops in a row. It's in different direction. We are heading to Brighton railway station. We got another bus stop there. Here's a bus information point. Thanks, mate. Yeah. I got one. Nice. Cheers. Naked chips are famous in this country. This robot ice cream, Robocop. There's some barber here. There was a pizza shop in the corner. Pretty girls. Pretty little baby. It's an automatic pizza shop. It's you can get the pizza from here. What's going on? This goes through some guys. This is a Marks and Spencer's food.